Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I gonna unbox and review some of the interesting items which I bought from Temu. I'll be unboxing everything, showing you the quality and giving my honest review. So let's open the package and see if the Temu finds actually worth buying. So here is my package. Firstly I got this. This is a black chalkboard. And yeah, here in the image you can see the dimension, and according to the image it is exactly the same, and even the quality of the product is good. I got this for 190 rands. Coming to the next one, it is a paint palette, and here is the image and you can see the product, it is exactly the same. I got this palette for 45 rands, and I have baby toothbrush with the holder, and here is the image and here is the product, it is exactly same. I got this for 15 rands. And coming to this, the pocket hug, and here how it looks in the image. And let me open this. You can see the cute message here, and you can find a key bunch. I got this for 15 rands. I'll show you the key bunch, and here it is, and this is exactly same as in the image. Coming to the next one, it is an hair clip. It's a rainbow pattern hair clip. Guys, whatever the prices which I'm telling is not exactly same for each and everyone. It might depend on the discount or promotion. So I got this beautiful hair clip for 45 rands, and this is exactly same as in the image of Temu. Coming to the next one, it's a finger ring. This is also exactly same as in the image. I got this for 55 rands. I got all the products for cheaper rates because I was having 50% off coupon, and there was a special discounts on a specific item. So yeah, it depends on particular promotion or discount, so the prices might be varying according to the discounts or promotion. I got this baby frock for 190 rands, but this frock is not exactly same as shown in the image because the color is somewhat faded comparatively in the image. What I felt, you can see the color is faded, so this is not exactly as same in the image. Coming to the next product, it's a nameplate, and the package is well done. There is a screws to install it, so what I written, it came exactly the same, and this was in the image, and this is my real product, and I got this for 250 rands, and this is a best wishes message from Temu. So guys, coming to the conclusion, 80 to 90% of the products are exactly same as in the Temu profile, and yeah, definitely it's worth to buy because of its price and the quality also. So guys, if you wish to buy these products, the product links will be on my description. Thank you.